The first thing that needs to be done is that you need to install a software from the Discover application. It is in System. Just click on Discover here. You can search on the top left, right, Proton, and then you search for Proton Tricks right here. You will want to install that. Select FlatHub User, and then click Install. When that's done, you will want to launch the game at least once if it's not already done. I assume you already played the Schedule 1 on your SteamDeck. If you have not, make sure to run the game at least once. So when you're done, you just launch Proton Tricks. It's in Utilities on the bottom left right here. So Proton Tricks. And then you select Schedule 1, click OK. If you have not launched the game at least once, you won't see Schedule 1 inside that list. So if you don't see Schedule 1 here, close this first, run the game from Steam, close the game, and then reopen Proton Tricks. Once you have this window open, just leave the selection there selected and then click OK. Next thing you want to do is select the first option, click OK again. Now you'll want to scroll down until you see .NET with the number 6 beside it. Right here, we can see .NET 6. Make sure that there's a check mark here. When that's done, you just click OK. And now you wait for the installation prompt to open. Once the installation prompt is open, it's simply a matter of clicking Install, waiting for the process to finish. There's another one right after that that's going to open. You need to install that one as well. Here it is. So you click Install again, and then you can click Close. When that's done, this interface is going to open again. Just click Run WineConfig. Click OK. When this is open, just click on Libraries on top here. You will select this little arrow here, click on it, and then scroll down, or you can search for it. You need to find version right here. We see version, select it, and then click Add. And then you can click OK. When all of that is done, you can just click OK here when this interface pops in again. And then you can click the X button on the top right. Once that's done, we need to download MelonLoader. So open your favorite browser that you have. Once you're in your browser, you just go to Google and then search for MelonLoader. Make sure to click on the GitHub link right here. It's not necessarily going to be the second one like mine here, but make sure it says github.com lava gang. So click on that, lava gang /MelonLoader. After that, once you see this page, you will scroll down a bit. On the right side, there's releases. Do not click on the one that you see latest. Click on the word itself, releases. Once that's done, you will scroll down until you see v0.7.0. So in my case here, it's the second one. It's made in February 4th. The first one here is 0.7.1. This version is known to have some issues with Schedule 1, so we tend to tell people to avoid it. So once you scroll down to this version, you will click on the assets, scroll down a bit. You do not want to get the installer. What you want to do is to get the MelonLoader x64.zip file. You do not get the Linux version as well, since Schedule 1 is not a native Linux game. It's a Windows game that is being emulated by Proton. That's why we use the MelonLoader x64 for Windows, basically. So you click on that, it's going to download it. By default, it's going to send that to your downloads folder. If you're in Chrome like me, on the top right, there's this little download icon. Once you hover your mouse over this over the download, there's a little folder. You click on it. It's going to bring you where that download was made. You can go into Steam, right-click the game, manage, and then click Browse Local Files. Once you click that, there's a new folder that's going to open. This folder is the installation directory for Schedule 1. What needs to be done after that? You need to double-click the downloaded file. So double-click MelonLoader x64. You will see two items in it, one folder and one file.dll. You need to select both of them and then go into your Schedule 1 folder. Select both of them, hold the click and drag them right inside the game folder. Your game directory should now look like that. It's the same way as it was before, but there is now a version.dll right beside schedule1.exe as well as a MelonLoader folder. You can now close the downloaded .zip file. So now let's start the game. To generate everything that MelonLoader needs to generate before we can actually install mods. So let's launch the game now. Once you launch the game, you will see a prompt like that. Don't touch it, leave it as is. This is normal. Every time you launch Schedule 1 from now on, you will see that window pop up. The first time the game loads, it will take a while. Like right now I have black screen. It's normal. The game is currently decompiling and doing some stuff about the game itself. MelonLoader is working on it. Leave it be until you see the game menu pop up. While you're on the black screen, you may try to use the right trigger to put in focus the current game. This may unblock it if it's stuck focusing on something else. And there it is. The game just loaded. Now that we've launched the game at least once, we can again quit it. This is pretty much the last time we'll quit the game again for the installation. The black console is going to close as well. Now let's see into the game folder. If you forgot about how to go there, remember that you need to right-click the game, manage, and browse local files. Once you're here, you will see a bunch of new stuff. The main thing you need to be aware of is the mods folder. It's currently empty. This is where you will install mods. Like on PC, you want to go to a website like Nexus Mods. You will need to be logged in on your SteamDeck to download files. You just, as usual, you click the manual button. I'm gonna test with the highballer fixes, the fixed version of it. You click on manual, you scroll down. In files, you get the IL2CPP version. You don't get the mono version. So click manual download. Click download here. It's gonna download the file for you. Once you click slow download, it's gonna download the file. Once that's done, inside your downloads folder, you will see the downloaded mod. You will double click on that. It will open up and you will see the content of it. What needs to be done at this point, you need to go to your installation folder, and then inside your mods folder, you will drag the DLL file right inside that mods folder. This is how it should look like. Once you're here, where the schedule1.exe is, inside the mods folder, you see a single DLL for that specific mod. And once you're done with that, all you need to do is start up the game and we will see the game working with a mod. All right, we're in the game right now. I'm opening the phone, going into products, and there it is. Here's a mod working on the SteamDeck for Schedule 1. Thank you for watching.